Welcome to Deep Kiran Classes of Commerce and Expert Coaching with Guaranteed Success. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.
Now, today we will start with the first practical problem of retirement of a partner. That is on page number 183. Now see, the balance sheet of Mama, Kaka and Baba, who shared profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3:3 respectively. Balance sheet is given to you. Suppliers 7,000, loan 5,000, general reserve 6,250, capital Mama 20,000, Kaka 15,000 and Baba 12,250. Asset side cash 4,500, sundry debtors 5,000 less RDD 500. Then livestock. What do you mean by livestock? See, the rearing of animals is known as livestock, like kettles, then poultry farms. All these are livestocks. Then livestock 12,500, motor car 4,000, furniture 17,500, plant 22,500. Kaka retires on 1st April on the following terms. The share of Kaka in goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 2,700. Furniture to be depreciated by 10% and motor car by 12.5%. Livestock to be appreciated by 10% and plant by 20%. The provision of rupees 2,000 to be made for the claim of compensation. RDD is no longer required. The amount payable to Kaka shall be transferred to his loan account. Now in this, no gain ratio should be taken out as everything is given to you in ready-mades. Okay, so nothing, we don't have to calculate the gain ratio. This is the first simple sum. So they have given the share of goodwill of Kaka in the firm and everything. Now we will start with this sum. Here also we have to make profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account and the new balance sheet. Okay. Now profit and loss adjustment account. See, all appreciation will be written on the credit side and depreciation be written on the debit side. Is it clear to you? See, RDD is no longer required. It will be a gain. That means total debtors are good. So buy RDD 500. Then livestock be appreciated by 10%. What was the price? 12,500. Of that 10%, 1,250. The plant be appreciated by 20%. Okay. So what will be the amounts? 4,500. On the debit side, to motor car. This is depreciation at the rate of 12.5%. Comes to rupees 500. Then furniture be depreciated by 10%. That comes to 1,750. To provision for compensation. Compensation it is. Compensation. Okay. It is 2,000. Now this is an unrecorded liability, so we will make two effects. So one will come in profit and loss adjustment account, the other will come here, the provision for compensation 2,000. Okay. Now see, this side is more, or the total of this side is more. How much it is? 6,250. Here the total is less, 2000 plus 1750 plus 500, here the total is less. So by how much it is less? By 2000. So 2000 is what? Your revaluation profit. Okay. On adjustment, on making the adjustment in the revaluation of assets and liabilities. So to revaluation profit, now how that is going to be shared in their old profit sharing ratio, that is mama 800, kaka 600, baba 600. That ratio is 4:3:3. So 2000 into 4 upon 10, then 2000 into 3 upon 10, this way. Then we are going to start with the partners capital account. See, by balance brought down. What was the balance is given according to the balance sheet? See, 20,000, 15,000 and 12,250 was the balances given to you. There is a general reserve which is to be distributed in their profit sharing ratio, that is 4:3:3. Now this general reserve is again distributed, that comes to 2,500, 1,875, 1,875. Then revaluation profit. Now we have taken out the revaluation profit here, 8,000, 6,000, 6,000. Okay. So this will be transferred here, 8,600, 800, 600, 600. Now in the very first adjustment they have said, what they had said, the goodwill of the Kaka was valued from the firm 2,700. That we have written by goodwill 2,700 into Kaka's capital account. Okay. Now his capital will be kept as loan. They are not going to give him the capital back, but that is to be kept as loan in the partnership firm. So nothing more is asked. So we are going to close one by one the capital. See, Baba's capital, it comes to 14,725. We will total up this side. We are going to write it on this side also, and then we are going to write to balance carried down. Now the continuing partner is Mama and Baba. Kaka is being retired, or he will be retiring on this same day. Okay. Now Kaka's capital is how much? Total will come to 20,175. Now Kaka's loan account, that is kept as a loan, so 20,175. Okay, to Kaka's loan account 20,175, total will be 20,175. Now Mama's capital account, see, credit side comes to 23,300. Same you'll write on the debit side, and to balance carried down 23,300 you'll show as balances. Now these balances will be carried to new balance sheet. Okay, new balance sheet it will be carried to. I hope this both you have understood it well. Profit and loss adjustment account and partners capital account. Now we are going to come to new balance sheet as on 1st April 2018. Liabilities amount, assets, amount. Okay. Now cash. There is no change in the amount of cash because nothing has come, nothing has gone out of cash. So as it is 4,500. Sundry debtors, total debtors are good now. There was a RDD but no longer required here, so we are making the total debtors as 5,000. Livestock, I have said the meaning also. Livestock is what? The rearing of cattle, animals, or the poultry farms, all this will come under the livestock. It is known as livestock. So livestock 12,500, add appreciation at the rate of 10%, 1,250. So by adding it comes to 13,750. Motor car 4,000. Okay, less depreciation at the rate of 12.5. It comes to 500. Okay, so less. So how much in the outer column? It will come to 3,500. Furniture. Furniture, the value of furniture is 17,500. Now depreciation at the rate of 10%. How much it will come to? 1,750. That is outer column 15,250. Now plant. How much is the value? 22,500 is the value, but there is appreciation at the rate of 20%. So how much? 4,500. Total up it will come to 27,000. Now goodwill was not mentioned, but in the adjustment they had said that goodwill. So we have taken two effects, one on the credit side of the Kaka's capital account and the other is the goodwill on the first effect. Second effect. Is it understood? Second effect here. So it comes to 2,700. So here we have completed sum number 1 of this retirement of a partner. Now liability side, liabilities amount. See, suppliers, there is no change in the suppliers, 7,000. Loan, no change. Loan as it is we have taken. Now Kaka's amount is kept as loan. So this is partner who is retiring. So Kaka's loan account 20,175. See, here it is loan. Here we have taken 20,175. Now capital accounts. Who will be the continuing partners? Mama and Baba. So Mama's capital will be 23,300 and 14,725. The total of this, both the capital comes to 38,025. Provision for compensation 2,000. So now if you total up, the total comes to 72,200. Here also if you total up on the asset side, it comes to 72,200. I hope you have understood the balance sheet.